Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bill. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do this picture here. This picture is one of my favorite picture on my fashion Instagram. I'll link it down below. You follow if you're interested. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can do one of your favorite picture just like this. Alright, no more words. Let's do this right now. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. Hey guys, today is the day that I'm gonna show you guys how you can be creative, how you can do something that you'll be proud of. Basically, I'm gonna show you how to do the painting. All you need to do is follow step by step. Even though you never paint before or draw before or never tried do anything like art, if you just follow my step, you should be completely fine. All right, first of all, we're gonna start for the first step. Let's do this. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the projector to project the image to the picture. This projector is really cheap. You can get it under $200 to $300 on Amazon. It's not an expensive hardware. You can maybe get it even cheaper on sale. Now all I'm gonna do is use the pencil to sketch the whole picture out. That way it saves us time to draw the entire object. Now I have all the sketch done. Now we're ready to start painting it. I'm gonna use color black to paint it. You need to be careful. Paint out the line that we just sketched with black. That's what we need to be doing. Now I'm almost finished sketching the whole project, the whole painting with the. Now I finished sketching the whole painting with the back color. Now I finished sketching the entire painting with black color. Now this is really important. You really have to make sure that I match it with the artist drawn perfectly, because this is really important. Everything you can draw everything wrong, but the eye really have to be drawing really perfectly. That's the most important. I will drop another video showing how to paint, how to draw an eye, so you can also refer to that. I will drop it really soon. You want to make sure most of the detail, not all the detail, but most of the detail is well drawn. Now I'm gonna use blue. This blue is just to add some kind of artistic on the painting, just to make it fun, just to show that this is a complete drawing. Now I'm gonna use color red as you can see, there's bill. The red color is bill style. Basically, this is my fashion Instagram channel name. I'll link it down below. I really appreciate you guys follow it. Now you have to mix white, and then you have to mix water with color red, and then you so the red is not as strong when you paint it. So just to connect the color red that we put on the painting with the painting, just to create a connection between the red and black. That's why we mix water with red, so we have those kind of connection between the red and black. Alright, this is it. This is how it looks like when you're completely done. Just gonna wait for it to dry. Hey guys, thank you for making it to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. I put a lot of work in this video. If you can leave a like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, I will highly appreciate it. This will empower me to do more of this kind of video because I know you guys liked it. My name is Bill, and thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.